In today's Sketchup tutorial, I'll be covering pen, zoom, orbit, but I'll also be using scale and 3D warehouse to get a model. Alright, please enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun. Alright, today we will actually start up Sketchup now. Okay, the first thing we'll do is go to the 3D warehouse. In the 3D warehouse, today we will look for a car. So let's look through what cars are available. Let's pick the black car that you see. Okay, download it and load it directly into the screen. So as you can see, the BMW that we downloaded is not to scale. And today I'll actually be focusing on orbiting and panning and scaling. So if you want to work in SketchUp, we need to work in the best angle for us to make adjustments. Okay, here we're actually trying to look for the best angle for us to do a scale. So I'm orbiting around by pressing the middle mouse button, and I'm zooming in by scrolling the middle mouse button as well. Okay, to scale, you press S or select the scale tool, then you select 2 points. The point across from one end to the other end, and you drag it until it reaches a size that makes sense. So now I'm actually panning and also doing scaling at the same time. When the screen gets too big, I'll pan, as you can see here. Then I'll continue to scale. So while you're scaling, you can navigate, you can orbit, pan, or zoom in and out. We found the size or the scale that we like already. So now I'm actually doing an orbit and zoom out to see whether it looks good enough. Because now I'm planning to increase the width of the car by scaling horizontally. So it looks a bit broader like a Lamborghini, and I'm checking again by panning and orbiting. You use it together. You pan, then you orbit, then you pan, then you orbit until you find the best view that works for you. For this part, we will be showing you how the zoom button actually works. For example, now that we are at the car door and we are scrolling in and out, you can zoom in and out. When you point to the wheel and you scroll inwards, it will zoom into the wheel, as you can see now. So here, we also do the same, except we also orbit to have a better perspective of what the wheel looks like. And for the model's face, if we zoom in, we'll go to the face as well. So we combine pan, orbit, and zoom for you to get a very good perspective on what you'll actually be working on. So now that you've got the basics of how to pan, zoom, orbit, I hope you can follow what I've just did here. Practice it a few times and make sure you get comfortable with panning, orbiting, and zooming, because it's very simple, but it's very crucial and important. You'll be using these 3 tools throughout your whole SketchUp journey. I recommend just practicing until you get comfortable. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun.